Hi everyone, I'm Yu Zulan from National Taiwan Normal University. Many thanks to Professor Peigrong's very kind invitation. It's my great honor to be briefly sharing my experience in using modern technologies for language teaching and learning through this video. My sharing will mainly focus on how virtual reality and mobile techniques can be used in language learning. In the recent decade, countless technologies are found to be integrated and are adopted in language education. For example, artificial intelligence, recognition technologies, virtual reality, and mobile computing. In the modern digital era, language learning can be done in a new and exciting way. You may have a question for me. What is VR? VR is a set of images and sounds produced by a computer that seem to represent a place or a situation that a person can take part in. Such an environment can be either authentic or imaginative. One can distinguish between two types of VR, immersive and non-immersive. Immersive VR emphasizes spatial immersion from a first-person view. This can be implemented by wearing a VR headset, which is a device like a thick pair of goggles that go over your eyes. In this photo, you can see this is me. I'm here. I was observing and operating a human organ model. In contrast to immersive VR, non-immersive VR or desktop VR involves users to be in a 3D environment that can be directly controlled by using a mouse, a keyboard, and a monitor. Since such an environment does not involve wearing a VR headset, the users usually explore the world from a third-person view via their avatars. You can see in the photo, the two kids were controlling their avatars and working together to construct their 3D virtual world. As I mentioned just now, VR provides users with a feeling of being real and being there. Immersion enhances embodied cognition during the learning process, in addition to the real feeling by getting immersed in the words. Social interaction with unlimited context created by programmers' imagination is also supported by VR. These characteristics of VR match with the essential components of successful language learning if learners are involved in learner-centered activities. Now let's watch a video to see how Chinese as a foreign language learners acquire Chinese vocabulary in 3 virtual contexts, including the supermarket, the kitchen, and the zoo. It also shows how role play can be done in such environment.
白菜、玉米、茄子、黄瓜、辣椒、蘑菇、烤箱、刀子、蒸锅、汤勺、炖锅、老鹰、兔子、公鸡、狐狸、
欢迎光临。
你好，我要订房。
好的，我们有3种房间，分别是雪花厅、红叶厅和最高级的玫瑰厅。你想要哪一种？
我可以先看看吗？
当然可以。Lucy， 请带这位先生去参观房间。
好的，请跟我来。好，这里是玫瑰厅，房间宽敞，家具。
Let's stop here. Now let's go back to our slides. After watching the video, now let's move on to mobile assisted language learning, MOLE. This slide shows you the virtues of MOLE. With mobile devices and mobile computing techniques, learning can be ubiquitous, self-directed, situated, and can even be done by creation. In sum, MOLE transforms the real world into a learning context. The 2 photos show you how Chinese as a second language learners learn Chinese while visiting the actual shops near the NTNU campus. With a MOLE system, they obtain real-time assistance while having conversation with the shop owners or clerks in the real world. With the MOLE support, it was found that they had better output in Chinese than did those without such support. Now I want to briefly conclude what I have shared today. In the modern digital era, new technologies are always emerging. With an innovative learning design, language learning can be learner-centered, self-directed, authentic, and learners can take their ownership by creation. Moreover, with the support of modern technologies, language learning is contextualized and multimodal. My sharing will stop here. Thank you very much. I hope this video helps you know how VR and mobile techniques can be used in language learning. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.